Hi everybody! We're back at Cook Like a Jamaican and we're going to be making a new recipe. And again, this is a recipe that I created and that I'm going to teach my mother to do. And this time she's going to do all the work and I'm just going to tell her how to make this dish and we'll see how it turns out.
So here goes. Angela tutor, grammar student with her famous cornbread.
Yeah, so this is, we should say what it is actually. It is Caribbean pineapple cornbread. It's delicious, if I do say so myself. For me, I'm ready to teach you how to make pineapple cornbread. Now this recipe is something that I created using a few different recipes and testing them to come up with one that I thought was really good and good enough for you, for me to teach to my mom and also to put on the website. It is really a delicious recipe. Triple tested recipe.
Yeah. Teach me to make it for them.
Exactly. What we're going to do first is we're going to blend all of the dry ingredients. So Mom, you can go ahead and put in this bowl. You can add the corn. Yeah, so cornmeal obviously is important. So we have cornmeal and we also have flour. And we're going to put all these dry ingredients into the same bowl and mix them together. Salt, as well as salt, as well as baking powder and ginger. So those are all of the dry ingredients that we're going to add to this bowl.
Sugar.
No, sugar is going to go in with the other ingredients.
Oh, sorry. Because I saw it with dry ingredients as well. So they're all combined now?
Yeah. Just combine them and you can set that aside. And we will now put all of the wet ingredients together. And then basically what we'll do is once those are combined, we're just going to combine the dry with the wet, put it in a loaf tin and pop it in the oven. It's a really super easy recipe. Now we're going to put all of the wet ingredients together and we're going to start with the butter. No?
Yeah?
Yeah. We're going to start with the butter. Now normally you can make this in a mixer, but I just like making it quickly by hand. And so I mix the sugar and the butter together. And
I can see what I'm doing.
okay. And mix the sugar and the butter together. And then we're going to add the eggs. You can put that in the larger bowl one. And we're going to add each egg. Now you can either beat the eggs together and add them to the bowl and then beat everything together, or I'm just like, you can just put one egg at a time into the bowl as well. That works as well. To me, it's all going to the same place, and even though baking is a science, I think that for this dish, it's pretty forgiving. So I just break one egg at a time and beat them each into the oil and the sugar. Now we're going to add the milk. And so the milk is, you actually can use buttermilk or you can just use whole milk. Buttermilk adds that really, like that little bit more richness to it if you want to have a little richer cornbread. It tastes just as good not using buttermilk, but it does actually add some flavor, extra buttery flavor if you like that. So Mom is just beating the milk into the other wet ingredients.
Mm-hmm. Then I'm going to fold in the other stuff.
Yeah, so Mom is now going to fold in the remaining ingredients. So Mom, fold in, what we have is we have some corn kernels. And it's about half a cup of corn kernels. And there's also, of course, there is crushed and drained pineapple. So you just have to buy, it's a small can of the crushed pineapple. You want to drain the juice off of it before you use it for this recipe. And then the last thing that Mom's going to add for the wet ingredients is the cheese. So even though it's not a wet ingredient, we can add it in at this stage. So if you just want to add that cheese, I like to use white cheddar because it just keeps the cornbread looking really nice and bright. A nice bright yellow cornbread.
Now we're going to put the flour in.
Yep. Just add flour a little bit at a time, so the dry ingredients a little bit at a time
Yeah.
to the wet ingredients.
Mhm.
Now, Mom, is cornbread something that you ever made before, or?
Nope, didn't grow up with it. The things that I'm showing you are things that I grew up with. And then there are other things that came after as an adult.
Okay, so you're doing a little bit at a time. And what you'll see is it's going to be quite a nice wet batter. But when we bake it, it's so moist. It's really good. Believe me, my dad gave it the thumbs up. When I was testing it a few weeks ago, my dad was just like, oh my God, this is the best. He really, really liked it. Believe me, if he says it's good, it is good. My mom?
You're right. Because he's used to good food from me.
True. That's true. So Mom has now mixed all of the ingredients make a batter. Nice bright yellow batter.
Nice looking batter.
And we are now going to put it in the loaf pan, which is I think it's about a 9 by 5.
Yeah, should be about that.
And it's greased. And
even though it's a non-stick, I already grease it too.
Yeah, I think that's just to be on the safe side. I do that too. So just put all of the batter into the pan.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Mom.
I know, can't help it.
It looks really good. It looks really good. See? Beautiful, nice yellow color. And I am going to put it in a preheated oven. It's preheated at 350 degrees. And it's going to take about an hour. So anywhere from 50 minutes to an hour. It should be done in 50 minutes to an hour, and you can check on it, but we look forward to first smelling it and then cooling it and slicing it and tasting it.
And add it to our supper.
Yes. Stay tuned. It is ready. We put it on the cooling rack and we'll wait a few minutes, right, Mom?
Correct.
So we'll wait a few minutes before you take it out of the pan.
Yeah.
And then we'll let it cool a bit more and slice it.
Time to sample.
It smells amazing, right?
Yes.
Pineapple cornbread. Should call it easy pineapple cornbread.
Easy Caribbean pineapple cornbread.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does. It looks good.
Angie?
Thanks for showing me how to make this wonderful and beautiful cornbread. Here it is, all done, and as you notice, I sampled a little piece of already, and it's very good. So, here's to Angela's Caribbean pineapple cornbread. And you can go to the website Cook Like a Jamaican for the recipe, and please try it. It's beautiful. Bye for now. Hello! Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, just press the button below and subscribe, and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that, and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.